Another nice feature of the Precise LTM is the ability to extend the fiber as needed to get into the patient's mouth to target your tissue. And then when you're done, by just hitting the retract to store the fiber. There's no messy fiber spinning out of control. The fiber is a quartz silicate fiber. It comes in a 20-foot length. That 20-foot length, depending on how often you use it, should last you days, months, I would say 3 to 6 months with continuous use. Because every time you do use the laser, you do have to cleave a little bit of the end off, which we'll talk about when we talk about laser tissue interaction, initiation of tips, and also cleaning of the tips. Now, when we do extend the fiber back and forth and utilize it, and now we've used it and it's become short to the point we can't use it, it's easily replaced. So we're going to turn the laser off. Just going to flip it over, and you're going to see that just by pulling this out, we can change this fiber cartridge. Pulling this out, unscrewing this, and this whole fiber assembly cartridge would be replaced with the new fiber. The new fiber would now be reattached, screwed into place. And then this would once again be slid right into the assembly of the laser, and you'd be ready to go. So very simple, long-lasting fiber. I would say you'll get good 3 to 6 months of use out of it if you're using it to its full potential. When I mean using it to its full potential, I want you using this 4, 5, 6, 8 times a day. Every patient can benefit from using your laser. And the more you think about how this is going to help you day in and day out, the more you're going to see the value of this laser and how it helps you provide better dentistry.